We got Mr. Snake down here. How you doing, Mr. Snake? Yeah, look at you. You pretty snake, you. Yeah, pretty snaky too. Come over to say hi to you. Look at you, you pretty snake. You pretty snake, you. Check you out. Pretty, pretty, pretty snakey. Came by to say hi. Yep. See how he doesn't mind me? There's a reason for that. You have a beautiful day, Mr. Snake. Look at you showing your colors. You little swimmer, you. You have a beautiful day. Pretty turtle. You got a big smile on your face. Yes, you sharing your space. You pretty turtle, you. Yeah, you. You know, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's nice when we spend time together. Yeah, no need to hide. Just spend some time together today with our Mr. Turtle. And enjoying the company, right? Right, Mr. Turtle? Yeah, sometimes it's just good. It's good to get out there and spend time with people you love, or even just with yourself. Getting used to that turtle. Right, Mr. Turtle? It's the time we spend together that makes life worth the weather. Yes, it does. Yep. We stop making our decisions on fear, then we open up new possibilities. Don't we, Mr. Turtle? Yep, we gotta check ourselves right when we see that fear show up so that we don't act on it right away. I saw you do that. That was a beautiful thing. Building that muscle. Learning to notice when you're fearing and then stop yourself from responding to it right away. See how you just gave yourself more time? More time with me, more time with us, more time together. So when you feel that fear kick in, what do? You stop yourself for a moment and give yourself a check. Right? Right, Mr. Turtle? You learn that is, you don't need to run. You don't need to hide. All of that's just a lie inside. It's a wonderful day to spend when the turtle this way. You just have to say, I love you. I love you. I love you. Yep. Even a turtle can eventually recognize that he's in a safe place and that he's loved. Right, Mr. Turtle? Yes, you can. What a beautiful example you are. And I'm so proud of you. Yes, I am. I'm so proud of you.